In off-page SEO, tell me what are the such activities or what are those checklists that we need to do in the off-page activities so that we can rank our website. So friends, today I'll tell you about two types of activities. First is outdated activities that are no longer done and no longer valued by search engine, and a trending one that is done today if we do it correctly. Then in that case our website ranks quickly. And now in this course, for each activity that I will tell you about, we will create practical videos and teach you how to do them practically. Okay. So let's see the checklist to know what to do and what not. So when we talk about the off-page SEO, then the activities that are outdated and we should not do are directory submissions, blog commenting. PBN, private blog network, means you create several websites of your own and use them to give backlinks to each other. That doesn't work, it's fake. And the fourth is exact match anchor text overuse, meaning let's say you have a blog on your website, a page on the website that has content. In that you have used one keyword 4 or 5 times. On that you have placed anchor text link, meaning a clickable link on all 4 or 5 same keywords on the same page. You are giving the link where you want to give the link. Okay. So there is no benefit of that either. There is no point in overusing it. Giving it once is enough. Now we'll talk about trending activities that are carried out today in the off-page SEO. Okay. So friends, first is guest blogging. Now this guest blogging is a type of paid link activity. Either you can do barter or you can invite someone. Or you can also pay someone to get guest blogging done on your website, which will give the authentic content of the other party, because guest blogging is done by those websites, those bloggers or those people who have the specific knowledge and expertise in the content that you need, and they can provide you with the quality content. And when they provide you their content and backlinks, it gives you the value. Okay, and their website's authority, etc. should also be good. Second is article submission. Now the third party means the other websites that are there. Okay, so there you wrote the articles, quality articles, and submitted them, then you got a backlink, right? So similar to article submission, there's a blog submission. Then Q&A means question answer websites are there. Image submission, video submission, social bookmarking on social media, PDF and PPT submissions, business listing, profile creation, forum submission, podcast submission, press release. So these all are the activities that are done. And this is what we will teach you practically in this course, okay? So that you can learn off-page SEO very well. So I hope you've understood and liked the video.